but the FIU asked us whether we would consider absorbing the, I should call them by the right name now, shouldn't I? No, we've done now. The Fijian Drua Women's team into our operation. And I do want to stress, it's not an acquisition, right? Still owned by the Fiji Rugby Union. We're just going to operate the team, okay? My immediate reaction is, we'd love to, and then I did my usual thing. Yeah, but I need to check this, and this, okay? Mainly financial. But we did check it, and we're quite happy with it. And we think there's so much, it's a horrible word, and I try not to use it, but I'm going to. There are so many synergies between operating the men's and the women's franchise out of the same place, under the same name. I use synergy, I couldn't use brand as well in the same paragraph. Because it's about culture and it's about belonging, and we think we've made a few strides in those areas in the last couple of years. And I see it very much as, the Fijian Drua Women have won both their competitions. We've only made the playoffs on the men's side, so we've still got a long way to go. We're in a Pacific competition. The women play largely in an Australian competition plus us. I think that will change over time, and I don't know how long that time will be, but I hope that coming together like this and having some genuinely shared services and shared staff who work, during when we're in season with us and when the national team is operating with them, I think that makes perfect sense. It only works, and all the signs are very encouraging, and so they should be. It only works if the two partners are genuinely committed to working together collaboratively. And that will be the absolute key factor in how well this goes. I'm pretty sure it'll go somewhere between pretty good and great. I'm not quite sure in where, but it's such a good base. There's so many talented women on the island. Just like the men, currently we lose too many. In fact, we lose fewer women than we lose men, actually. But we still lose too many players, elite players, off the island. And I very much hope that this coming together will help us to raise the standard, just like on the men's side. What's the project about? It's about giving the country a team to be proud of and to support, and to underpin the national team so the national team, the men and the women, rise up the world rankings. Now that's what we're here for, okay? And I'm just delighted that we can help contribute, and I'd like to thank Peter particularly for his commitment to the thing right from when it was proposed. He's been a stalwart supporter of the different elements of Fijian rugby, and that's absolutely critical. We're a small country. We cannot afford to be fighting or not getting along with the different component parts of our national sport. So it's a really lovely day, and I hope you think it was worth coming along. I hope you enjoy the food afterwards. And if you take photographs of me and I'm looking dreadful, can you please not use them?